Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up TENDA AC5 Router. If your router provides wireless internet access for streaming and gaming, then this TENDA AC5 router setup is one of the best solution. The TENDA AC5 is a dual-band wireless router that offers speeds up to 1200 megabits per second for smooth streaming and gaming. It comes with 4 high-gain antennas for strong Wi-Fi coverage and supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the TENDA AC5 router box. Inside the TENDA AC5 router box, you'll find the router itself with its 4 detachable high-gain antennas, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable to connect it to your modem. It also includes a quick installation guide and warranty card to help you set up and get started easily. Connect the WAN port, blue port, of the AC5 to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Switch on the router using the power button. Wait for the LED indicators to stabilize, usually the Wi-Fi and WAN LEDs. Using Wi-Fi, look for the Wi-Fi name, SSID, labeled on the router or manual, e.g., TENDA_XXXXXX. Connect using the default password, also printed on the router label. You can connect your PC or laptop directly to the router's LAN port using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser. Type 192.168.0.1 or tendawifi.com in the address bar and press enter. The TENDA setup page will open automatically. Log in with your username or password. Select your internet connection type. First is PPPoE. For most broadband providers in India, enter your username and password given by your ISP. Second is dynamic IP, often used by cable ISPs, no credentials needed. And the third one is static IP, if your ISP gave you specific IP details. Click Next or OK to proceed. Set your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, or keep default. Set a strong Wi-Fi password. Click OK or Save. The router will apply settings and reboot if necessary. Reconnect your device to the new Wi-Fi name using the new password. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.